I gotta get out of here!
I know it was that fat bastard! Shut up! Huh?
Yo, who is this?
Hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Yo, who the fuck is this?
I'll make you regret that! I will make you pay with blood! You will
See you later, Steve.
Maybe this time you'll learn.
I'm not finished with you!
Bring that ass here. Take a look around.
We. I'm sending you straight to hell!
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
You're dead there!
You're not.
You're dead to me.
You're not a fast learner, are you?
Oh, yeah! I'm coming for you, bitch! Come here! Better scramble like an egg before you get folded like an omelet. You're not. Someone help! My organs.
You mad, bro?
You ruthless, heartless bastard!
Are you serious right now, bro? How disappointing. I'll be frank. I'm quite impressed with you. But failure's a failure, nonetheless.
What do you mean, done? Well, answer me! Why are you giving up?
Go ahead, make me pay. But if that's all the power you've got, you're gonna have a lot of trouble collecting.
You're a dead man! I'm sending you straight to hell!
You fool.
We.
Seriously? That's all you've got?
Huh?
Oh, damn.